Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. So today is kind of there's a lot going on today. So Dong and I are going to Paris tomorrow. Yay! It was kind of like a really last minute trip we planned, and we were still like, oh, should we go, should we not go, should we go, should we not go? And we were looking at the tickets, and we got the ticket for really cheap, really cheap. So we're like, we have to go. The tickets are so cheap and affordable, so that is why we're going to Paris. No, we have not packed yet, so I wanted to take the camera around today and show you guys, you know, us packing and just grabbing food. And we're taking a lot of Korean food to Paris, like canned food, you know, and cup noodles, stuff like that. I don't know how much they cost in Paris, and I feel like it might be a little pricey. Usually when we go on trips, Dong and I, you know, always eat out and like try out like really like famous places. Well, we're still planning to do that, but I wanted to, since we're staying there for 2 weeks, we wanted to cook at the place we're staying. We are using Airbnb, so it comes with full kitchen, which is really nice, right? So we wanted to cook our own Korean food there, go grocery shopping at a Paris supermarket. So we're planning to go to a Korean supermarket today and pick up some like canned food and like instant noodles so we can bring it to Paris. And we have to pack all of our clothes and all of our essentials today. Our apartment complex, they're like repainting the entire building, so we have to clean out our balcony before we head out. And yeah, we have to buy more food for Ame because he's staying with my parents, thank goodness. And his food is gone. Like we ran out of his food, so I have to get a new bag for him. And did you guys notice that I cut my bangs? Well, I didn't cut it. I went to a professional. She cut it too short, so I brought more hair from the top. I'm sorry. I know that a lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, your face looks so white compared to your neck. I usually mix 2 foundations. Today I didn't, so I just went with the lighter color. I don't know. I just felt like I wanted my face pale than my neck. I don't know. We're bringing this one and this one for check-in. I wanted to share this bag with you guys. We bought this bag. This is called anti-theft bag. So it looks pretty average, right? Normal, but they're all wired all around. So like even if they try to cut through it, there's wire in between, so it cuts the fabric, but there's wire, so they can't get inside, so things wouldn't fall out. And the zipper, you could hook it like this. You can hook it like that, so if they want to try to open it, like they have to go through more steps, which, you know, and like hopefully I'll notice that they're trying to do something. So it's harder for them to get through my bag, basically. Like this area doesn't even have a pocket, so I don't think I'll put anything in here. But even this zipper on the top, the main zipper has this little hook too, and inside looks like that. It has zippers everywhere. Bringing my what is this called? Adapter. I bought this for when we went to Korea 2 years ago. It's really convenient, actually. It has like a USB port. Oh, and this, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I'm bringing disposable camera. I'm so excited. This is, so I thought about going, because they still sell it at Walgreens and Walmart or wherever, but you know, I want to get it. You know, I want to go pick it up. But Tom's like, I already have some. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, he had this for like the longest time. I think he had this since high school. I don't even know. But we tried to take a couple photos to see if it works. It does work, so we're gonna take these. That's all so far that I packed. I'm gonna put all of the chargers, my phone, like I might bring my Switch, the Nintendo game, and oh yeah, and this is kind of like, it's a magnet. But I mean, this is safe around, so I guess it should be okay. Oh, even the strap there's wires in between. I heard a lot of people have been warning me that, you know, there's a lot of pickpocketing, there's a lot of people you know, like stealing stuff even like during the day. So a lot of people are warning me about that, which I'm very aware of, so I'm trying to be very careful, which is why I invested in this bag. I think this was like 60 bucks, I don't even know, but it's really small, right? But hopefully this will keep me safe. I'm excited. Mr. Ame. Hi, Mr. Ame. Frappuccino? Are you having some frappuccino? So, progress. Like, why won't it go in? This is Tong's bag.
Just my underwears.
Did you pack condoms? Why am I taking that? Aren't I gonna get caught? Like, get stopped? Stop! You want me to clean in Paris?
We could be actual Cinderella.
Oh my gosh, shut up. I'm hungry. We should it's not working. Oh, is it working?
Let's see if
No,
it
stop! Oh my god, you're such a like waste of energy.
We can do this.
Are we like Mary Poppins?
Spoon, sugar.
Can you please? There's like dog hair on it. Don't put it back. I am not going to put this back.
I'm gonna sleep, so.
Oh, you're such a waste of my time. Take this out. Out, out, out.
Spoon, sugar.
Should we go? I'm hungry. Take everything out.
I'm exhausted.
See? You did this to yourself. We are currently getting gas. I'm just wearing this jacket that I got from my aunt last year, I think. When she visited America from Korea, she brought this for me. I think I'm gonna wear this to the airport tomorrow. This is gonna be my airport jacket on my way back too. I want to wear this. Paris, I looked at the weather and Paris is supposed to be like 10 degrees warmer than Chicago. So hopefully it'll be nice weather there that I won't need this jacket. And so we're getting gas. I'm gonna pick up some Ame's food, pick up our food, eat some delicious lunch / dinner, and then get back to packing. 햇반 몇 개 사가지? 햇반, cause I'm trying to get for 10 days.
3.
Let's get 2 then.
Two.
Yeah, I think that's good. Should we get one of these?
Those are very space taking.
You think so? 그럼 컵라면 말고 우리는 불닭볶음 탕면, 삼양라면. Oh my god, I think we should take 바지락 칼국수. What do you think? And we can get seafood there and then
Sure.
yes. I'll get 2. I'll get 3.
And even at home we have some, right? So,
No? 다 먹었지?
볶음면 그런 거 다?
Oh yeah, we could take those. You want 부대찌개?
오.
2 부대찌개?
아.
네?
한번 어디서 하냐?
나쁘나. 짜장 참치, 고추 참치. I think we should put 김치. 이게 볶은 김치? or 김치 한 2개? 참치. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think we're good. Let's get the 고추장 stuff. 어딨지? I think it's that way. That looks really good.
That? You sure?
Should we try it? No? We'll try one.
It's all dried. Okay.
No, let's see how you cook it. So you're supposed to do it in hot water so it softens up.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Not hot water, like hot rice, and then it softens up. 저 조그만 거 있을 텐데.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. 이거는 베이스 고추장이야.
Alright. Let's do it.
Yeah, that's it. I don't think...
Let's do it.
그거면 돼?
I think so.
라면도 필요 없어?
집에 있는 거는.
That's like 둘 다.
Yeah, 그런 것도 가져가도 되잖아.
Okay.
Right? Are we?
Yeah. There's curd. Oh my god, maybe I should make curd. Yes, this is what I need. 낙지덮밥. Yes. 낙지덮밥 하나?
Yeah.
Like we're roughly estimating like 10 days, maybe a week. A week worth food. I think they should be okay.
Right?
Okay, I think they should be okay. Now we should get some food. Eat. Busy as always. This is shrimp kimchi mandu. Does it look delicious? It looks so delicious. We get this every time here.
Yeah, we did.
Look how busy this place is. Whoop, 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 whoop. A lot of ladies that work here seem very unhappy.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about not to like trash talk too much, but a lot of adults around here are really rude to people younger than them.
Yeah, I didn't like that either.
Like they're really nice to our parents, and they like an older generation, but to younger people they're really rude and just mean. I don't know why. Cause I'm not rude to them at first, you know.
Yeah, it's not like we were just straight up, but then they will like treat us like as if like
We don't know anything.
Yeah, like I don't know. Like already assume that.
If you're from restaurants,
That's why I sometimes hate going to like Korean restaurants sometimes.
they're really mean. To be honest, the stuff we got, I don't think it'll last us that long.
You think so?
I think we'll eat it in 3 meals. And that's fine. It's
It
fine.
is what it is.
I mean, I have no problem with that, but
We just have to go to a local market and like buy a lot of good stuff. It'll be great.
Damn. Yukgaejang. It comes with like side stuff. Well, I never. Do they change it all the time? That's pretty cool. And then
What is
돈가스, yum. Yum.
What is that?
호박 페이스트 같은 거 같아. 아, 맛있다. 저는 찌개에 파가 들어가면 너무 맛있어. 맛있어.
I don't think I want. Have you tried the paste? What is it? It is pumpkin?
And like champagne after. Now it starts. Cookie. Want a cookie? Good boy. Want a cookie? Go get it. Where you gonna go with it? Ah, let's pack, guys. I have a lot to pack. It has a lot of dog hair on it right now, but I'll clean it and go over. I like that. Not too casual, but it's like a sweater? Yeah, not sweatshirt, sweater. And then this long plaid shirt that I got from my friend as a freebie because she doesn't wear it. So we have some tuna, we have 짜장 참치, 짜장 tuna, and spicy tuna. 부대찌개 라면, 낙지덮밥, 고추장.
Pick anything?
Yeah.
Huh?
Excuse me?
Bag?
Ame, say hi.
Kawaii desu.
Kawaii. Ame is so kawaii. Ready for Halloween? Huh?
Without you, mommy.
Are you ready for Halloween? Yeah? I'm bringing this to friends because since we're gonna spend our Halloween there, just thought this might be something cute to bring. I like this. Pack my tuna and some canned kimchi like this in between the clothes. My shampoo and conditioner. I know that the Airbnbs that we're staying at provide some, but I don't think they're gonna provide enough. These are my like sunscreen lotion, you have a toothbrush, right?
I do.
This toothpaste, and this is like a mouthwash and moisturizer and a bunch of stuff in here. There. My makeup, I'll probably use it tomorrow, so I'll just leave it here though. And that's really it. I have some too. I think that's it. Your backpack looks really full. Do you want to put something in?
You should have some space so you could carry some gift.
Like the hair iron stuff I have to bring in my bag though, right?
I'll assume, yeah.
Right? Yeah. I am bringing 2 cameras, including this one and one more, and I think that's it. I don't want to bring too much. I thought about bringing my DSLR, and I don't know if it's worth it. So I did a lot of packing, but I'm not completely done. So this side is still pretty, like, kind of empty, but I have this ready, and that, basically what I showed you guys, and that's tongs. So I have to do some final packing tomorrow, like my makeup and my hair straightener. I don't know if I should bring my hair the hair dryer. I don't think I need to bring that. And then I think that's it. Whatever I'm wearing tomorrow, you know, obviously I'm gonna take it to Paris, and then I think I'm going to wear flip-flops or slippers to airport just to be a little bit more comfortable. And that's really it. I'm not bringing much. I'm expecting to bring a lot back. Hopefully, I don't know. If not, then we're not. But that's it. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment anything that you like, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.